Neil, it brings me to the next question. Someone asked about hearing news about taking 80% write-off for a car, that they're letting you do that in 2024 versus 2023 was like 100%. Have you heard
Yeah.
about something like
So
that?
so that's the bonus depreciation issue. So
Okay.
as we get closer to 2026, which is the expiration of the Tax Cut and Jobs Act, the bonus depreciation was 100% and is now going down by 20% a year. What that means in practice is that, let's say you bought, I don't know, a computer of, maybe not a computer, something more expensive. You bought some machinery, whatever, it cost $10,000. And from 2017 through 2022, you could take that $100,000 and you get the full deduction in year one, even though that equipment might need to be depreciated over 5 or 7 years. And that was because of bonus depreciation. So the bonus was the fact that you could take the whole thing. And then starting last year, that 100% bonus depreciation started ratcheting down by 20% per year. So 2023 was 80%, 2024 is going to be 60%, and it's going to ratchet down further. Again, this was in the same law that was passed in the House and is sitting in the Senate. It has been sitting there since January about fixing the R&D credit. They had a provision in there to change the bonus depreciation back to being 100%. But again, stuck. We're waiting. We'll see. But for now, this is one of those things that was in the last remaining years of the 10-year window that we are having to deal with. So yeah, cars and assets of all kinds are less write-offable in this year compared to last year, and it's because of this bonus depreciation issue. Now, cars also have special rules on top of that as far as limitations, because they don't want you to basically blow all your money on cars, essentially. But that's getting into the weeds a bit on the numbers. But the fundamental trend is correct that assets that you could depreciate more aggressively in recent history are now less in the early years.
Okay. Understood. So do we have time for another question, Neil?
Let's do one more. Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully, I'll
So
be not so long winded.